Now this is the end, kid. Look at your friends. Your end will be just like theirs.
Why?
Because you don't need a savior.
No. You need a new master.
No. No, 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 no. Mr. Stark.
No. Doom. Leave the kid alone.